If you've recently installed a new Nvidia graphics card and you're experiencing a black screen after booting your computer, you're not alone. Many users have reported this issue, and it's relatively easy to fix. The most common cause of a black screen after installing a new Nvidia graphics card is that the driver isn't installed correctly. To fix this issue, you'll need to uninstall the current driver and reinstall it. Here's how to fix a black screen after installing a new Nvidia graphics card. 1. Uninstall the current driver. The first step is to uninstall the current Nvidia driver. To do this, go to Control Panel Programs and Features and select Uninstall. Then, select the Nvidia driver from the list and click Uninstall. 2. Download the latest driver. Once you've uninstalled the current driver, you'll need to download the latest version from the Nvidia website. Make sure you download the correct version for your card, as this can vary depending on the model. 3. Install the driver. Once you've downloaded the driver, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Make sure you select the Custom Install option, and ensure that you select all the components that are relevant to your card. 4. Reboot your computer. Once the driver has been successfully installed, reboot your computer. This should fix the black screen issue, and you should now be able to use your computer with the new Nvidia graphics card. If you're still experiencing a black screen after following these steps, the issue may be related to a power issue. Make sure you plugged your card into the correct power supply, and check that your power supply is capable of providing enough power for your card. We hope this guide has helped you to fix the black screen issue after installing a new Nvidia graphics card.